Hi everyone, in today's video we are continuing with the topic of matrix multiplication by going through an example of how to multiply two matrices of different sizes. So we have matrix A, which has the elements 0, 3, 5, 5, 5 and 2, and this is a 2 by 3 matrix. And we have matrix B, which has the elements 3, 4, 3, -2, 4 and -2, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. Matrix A multiplied by matrix B would go something like this. First, we separate the rows in the first matrix and the columns in the second matrix. We do this because multiplication is done row by column, as mentioned in the last video. The 0 in matrix A will multiply the 3 in matrix B, and we place them neatly in brackets. Likewise, the 3 in A will multiply the 3 in B. Lastly, it is 5 multiplied by 4. Notice that you put a plus sign in between the multiplications, as our final answer is determined from the sum of our multiplications. So now that we are finished with that column, we move on to the next one in matrix B. So we leave out a small space in our working and start over on the right. 0 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by -2 plus 5 multiplied by -2. Now that is finished, we start over the process with the second row in matrix A. 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 plus 2 by 4. Lastly, we are down to the last column in matrix B. 5 by 4 plus 5 by -2 plus 2 by -2. The last step is to do our calculations and work out our final solution. So to finish solve it, we work out our minor calculations. 0 by 3 is going to be 0, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So therefore this is going to be 29. Next we have 0 multiplied by 4, which is 0, 3 multiplied by -2 is -6, 5 multiplied by -2 is -10, -6 plus -10 should give me -16. Now if you're lost at this one, chances are you may have to go and do a recap of your negative numbers. This one now we have 3 by 5, which is 15, 5 by 3 is 15, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. This should give us 38. And lastly, we have 5 by 4, which is 20. 5 by -2 is -10. And 2 by -2 is -4. So 20 take away 10, take away 4, that should give me 6. So our final answer is going to be the matrix 29, -16, 38, and 6. And if you notice, our final matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. When you're multiplying matrices of different sizes, you can always tell the size of the answer based on the number of rows in the first matrix. Matrix A has 2 rows, and the number of columns in the second matrix, which is matrix B, which has 2 columns. Therefore, our solution is a 2 by 2 matrix. In the next video, we will strictly be dealing with multiplying square matrices. These are the ones that are most common in exams. Now, if you enjoyed that video, feel free to like and share it with your friends. You can always visit us at knowledgescroll.com, where you can look at our full list of services that we offer to secondary and high school students. Here's also where you would come to browse our full catalog of featured videos, as well as sign up for any of our reasonably priced online courses. My name is Kevin and I thank you for watching and I hope we meet again.